Lucia for a couple of hours.
One day?
Yeah, one day, more or less. But the internet was, it was non-existent. They said they had internet, but it didn't work. So now we just went out and we're gonna cross this little bay and go to the next village that's called Camariñas. And Johan been there before and he says that the internet was good then, so we're hoping for the same now. The weather, it's gonna be bad, it's gonna rain, be quite windy, so we thought it's better to be in a marina with internet. So yeah, that's where we're going now. Camariñas is a small little village in the northern part of Ria de Camariñas. Fishing is the biggest income, and Camariñas is the type of village where the old ladies still sit on the doorways making lace. The village only has a few restaurants and bars, and of course the marina is also very small. But we liked it a lot since it had good facilities and very cheap mooring prices. Camariñas has beautiful nature around, so we went out for a hike to explore the surroundings. The village is protected from the sea in Costa da Morte, but when you come to the other side you have the big Atlantic in front of you. It's very close to Mexia, the other village we visited before. And do you recognize the church over there?
We have decided to leave a bit earlier than we first thought. We're heading for Lisbon today, so just going to fix something to eat and then we're off. It's going to be quite windy, 20 to 25 knots, gusting maybe to 30, but it should be okay because it's a northerly wind. So we're doing this because if we don't take this chance, we will get stuck in Baiona, the next port that we first thought that we should go to. We will get stuck there for at least a week, maybe more, with the winds from the south coming up. So yeah, and we want to get south now. Quite rolly, huh?
Yeah, a lot. I'm sleepy.
Yeah, we just got a major setback. Our Hoyt boom is broken. Yeah, and as you can see, it's a big break. This is a big setback, both economically and time-wise as well, because probably this will take some time to get fixed properly, and I don't really know. Probably won't be a problem to get this fixed in Baiona, but I don't know. We will see when we get there. One of those days, you know, not a good day. We have moved the boat now to another marina. It's a bit cheaper here. Half price actually. As you can see, we have removed the Hoyt boom. And probably we're going to leave it like that. Instead we're going to fit a normal spinnaker boom on the mast. And we have decided to... we had an old Genoa on the boat. We make that a bit smaller so it will fit on this new rig. We're going to have 2 spinnaker poles, so we can go wing on wing with 2 poles. 2 sails pulled out on one on each side, and when we go downwind. Fort Castello de Montreal is more than 900 years old and is protecting the Bay of Baiona. During its long history, it has suffered from a number of attacks. It's located on a peninsula and has 3 kilometers of stone walls to protect from invaders. The site has been known for the past 2000 years as the Walled Precinct. Pre-Christian civilizations such as the Celts, the Phoenicians and the Romans lived here in the past. Nowadays the walls incorporates a big hotel and a fancy restaurant overlooking the sea.
Because of the rigging on RAN is new, we hadn't fixed a system for hoisting guest flags. But now we took the opportunity to do it. Johan was the one who got sent up in the mast, since we needed to drill and use the rivet tang, and he's the best one doing that.
Waking the dawn of day, and I gotta think about what I wanna say. Phone ringing off the shelf, I guess he wanted to kill himself. Waking on a pretty day, don't know why I ever go away. It's hard to explain my love in these days.
Baiona is a small tourist and fishing town with around 11,000 inhabitants, which increases to 45,000 during the summer. It's really picturesque with narrow streets, old stone houses and with a lot of history.
Red oak, sugar, and Korean dogwood and cool.
The old senores are looking at the anchor of the ship Pinta, one of Columbus' 3 ships that he discovered America with. After returning from the New World, Pinta was the first ship to return to Europe with the news of the discovery of the New World. She entered the Bay of Baiona, where she laid anchor. Nowadays, a replica of the ship can be visited in the port.
Las maple inca, cornflower, you're my baby's blue eyes. And when your gown dissolves in a prayer, you'll hear a sound that rings true and fair. Black cat, lightning.
On top of the hill overlooking Baiona, Virgin Mary is watching over the town and the sea. The statue is 15 meters tall and is made of granite and marble, and the view from here was stunning.
An endless love song.
Since we decided to recut the Genoa for the new setup with poles, we also took the opportunity to change the UV protection on the jib and to fix some bad seams on the sail at the same time.
Bring it down, don't lose your senses. I'm circling around you now. Pure thirst has got your face all lit up. Play it, I said, turn around. There's a chance to proud. So take me with you now. I'm gonna circle down. If you think you're falling, I'm okay with talking. Time for me to circle down. If you think
Thank you so much for watching this episode, and stay tuned for the next one that will show you more of our stay in Baiona and the installment of the new rig parts that we're currently waiting for.
If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up, and perhaps you'd like to consider becoming a patron to support the making of these videos. That would mean a lot to us. We also want to give a big thanks to all the patrons we made so far for their big support. You can read more and check out our Patreon page over here.
And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Take care.
Bye bye!